Hey YouTube, it's another tutorial on a zippo trick. This one is called slam dunk, and with this one you're going to have the hinge again to your right facing your thumb, and you're going to use your pointer finger as you coming up to open it, and your middle finger as it goes up. When you come down to slam it, you're going to hit that wheel and it's going to light it. So as you coming down, you're going to slam and hit that wheel. You open it with your pointer finger coming up, and as you come down, you hit the wheel, and as you hit that wheel, you light it. Come up, hit that wheel, light. Come up, hit that wheel, light. Come up, hit that wheel, light. Show you again. Come up, hit the wheel, light. And that is slam dunk, the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and as always, it's been a pleasure. Please subscribe.